Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Go Dynamic IT. When you install Windows 10 or Windows 11, by default you won't get this PC user files and network icons or recycle bin kind of icon on your desktop. So you can see here, this is my desktop, and assume that this is the default one. I do not have this PC, so you know that the people who are coming from XP, older version of Windows Legacy, they are very used to with this PC, my computer, so which is now this PC and user documents and all. So, but in this Windows 10 and 11, those has been given as an option where you can enable and disable those icons. So I've got lots of requests to how to bring it on. They say that the Windows 10 and 11 doesn't provide this icon, my computer icon, but that's not true. So there is an option where you can go and enable that, bring it back to your desktop. So what you have to do is on your desktop, right click on it and go to personalize. Click on the personalize option, then you have to go to the themes, and while once you go to the themes, and then you can see here you have an option called desktop icon settings. Click here desktop icon setting, and you can see here desktop icons, you have an option for computer, user files, network, recycle bin. If you want the control panel to be on your screen, you can go ahead and do that, but as of now I only want this all these four icons. So just click on apply and OK. And when you go back to your the desktop, you can see here I have this PC here, I have a network here, and then I have a user PC. Can you see? This is the user PC here. This is how simply you can go ahead and enable this icon. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or query, please put me in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.